All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. Easy Money Origami Envelope. Just designed this tonight. This special new friend, Laura. I happened to owe her some money, and I wanted to give it to her in a real nice gift form. So I came up with this envelope, and it fits your cash right inside. Now this is the medium version. We're going to show the easy version first, and then the medium, and then the deluxe version. Medium's harder to fold, and the deluxe version is pretty cool. It was inspired by, if you're following the channel, you saw some of Bob's origami. It was inspired by his envelope, but it's a little tough to get your money in there. You have to fold it pretty small, so I wanted to make a bigger one. And after I made the second prototype out of paper, then when I was folding one of the next ones, I noticed a real cool way to seal the money in an envelope, so I'm going to show that one first as the easy one. Alright, let's get going on it. So we're going to use a $1 bill, and the design is such that if you fold a bill into quarters, which is pretty easy to do, you can slip it inside. It's going to be a sealed envelope, and alright, it's not too hard. You fold it down. Right where the 1, let's turn it this way, fold it right at the top of the letters of the 1, and go all the way across. There's a little green line right here underneath United States of America, the shadow of the letters, and so we're folding it right on that. Crease that up. On the bottom, we're folding it on the shadow underneath the word 1. So that's on both sides, and you just fold it down straight across. This is a pretty quick, easy way to put a quarter folded bill in an envelope. So it's pretty easy. Hope everybody enjoys it. See how it fits in there? So you put the money in now that your gift is going to be, and then you fold it in half, and don't crease it yet. Now we want to slide it over just a little bit more, right about there, and that's good. See how the bill is just getting covered up by the top fold, and then you just fold this over, and then you tuck it inside these two little corners, just like that. And it's sealed up in there. You can make the eagle on top, or if you fold it the other way, you can have the pyramid on top, but I like the eagle. So that's how it is, and that's the easy one, and you're done. That's it. Alright, that was a quick video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do the medium one and the deluxe one really soon. That's for sure. Alright, take care and enjoy the money origami, easy money origami envelope.